What's up everybody, I'm Chef Ricky and today we are making the vanilla collagen blueberry muffins. Start by mashing 4 ripe bananas, adding in 3 eggs, half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the dry ingredients, you're going to need 240 grams of oat flour, 44 grams or 2 scoops of vanilla KINO collagen, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a cup of fresh blueberries. And here I'm also adding in some cinnamon. Okay, so after all the batter is well mixed, you're going to want to pour it into 8 individual muffin molds. And last, you're going to bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Now these muffins are a great option to break your fast. You could have 1 or 2 of them for 200 to 400 calories. They're very satisfying, they're very filling, high in protein, and packed with flavor. Alright guys, so as you can see, in under 30 minutes, you have 8 giant flavor-packed protein muffins that you could snack on for the rest of the week.